Oh my god, I think my Pleco just gave birth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably thinking, what's with the background? What are we doing today? So my twin sister actually recently moved out with her boyfriend. They're living in a different house now. So although I'm really sad about it, I am quite excited because I get her room now. So with COVID and everything, I'm gonna have college online for the first semester, and it's gonna be fully online, and I need a space to be able to focus on. So I was actually like in the middle of buying a few new stuff for this whole office thing, but I was like, I should just film this because I love watching stuff like this. Excuse the mess. I'll show you what the room looks like at the moment. Don't judge. At the moment we're looking at this and it's very messy. I know. I'm just putting together a chair that I got today and it just sprung to my mind that I should probably vlog this. So this is the room. Stella's coming to pick up that whole thing soon. She just doesn't know how to transport the fish tank yet. But that's her old bed, which I have a plant on at the moment, but I'll see if I can get rid of it and my ring light. So it's also going to be my filming studio. So that's it there. I know it doesn't have arms, but I just think it's so minimal. And the table that I want, I'll show you now on my phone. So this is actually the chair I wanted initially, but it's just currently out of stock, and I'm not really bothered to wait for it. But it's very similar, just that it has the handles. But then I thought it might be too chunky for what I want. But this is the table that I'm hopefully getting tomorrow. If not, we will make it work with a different table. But it's actually this L-shaped table from IKEA. Hopefully they have it in stock, because the other day I went up and we walked the whole thing around, said it was in stock. When we got to the thing, it still said it was in stock, but there was none of the boxes down in the collection area. Also working on getting a new laptop, because guys, guess what? My laptop broke just on the last day of submitting my last thing for my college. Actually no, it broke before I submitted it, and it had the assignment on it, had 5,000 something words written already on it. The computer just switched off and stopped working, and somehow I got it to work for like a split second and quickly email it to myself, and then I had the assignment to finish. Anyways, that's over and done with, but now I need to invest money into a new laptop. So hopefully I'll get a laptop that I can easily edit on, and yeah, just making this YouTube thing happen. So hopefully I will be able to go to IKEA tomorrow and I will show you my trip. So I'll see you then. So these were out of stock for a very long time. They finally came back, so I got this table and this drawer. Comes in 2 parts. Thank God I read that. But yay, these are so heavy though. So today I made a trip. As soon as I woke up, I checked the website, well, the app, and I saw that everything's pretty much back in stock. So I literally bombed it down to IKEA, and I literally went straight away to the collection thing. So I went down straight away, ran to the aisle with the table first, because that's the most important thing. And there was like 6 left. So I just grabbed it up real quick. I had to go on my own because no one could come with me. And when I tell you, the boxes were so heavy, I didn't even vlog anything. I think I vlogged 1 clip and I was just like, no. It was just a disaster. I was sweating, and then this kind lady seen me struggling to put things in the car, and she's like, do you need a hand? And I was like, yes please. So I have my desk here, and so that's the desk there, and then these 2 boxes are the shelf. So now it's like Lego time. I'm doing this all by myself. Ross was meant to come over later this evening to help me, but I'm gonna start without him because I just kind of want it done and built already. So keep on watching. Okay, so let's have fun.
This is me attempting to do it on my own, and I already had forgotten the screwdrivers. I thought everything would be included, but nope. And you'll see me reading all these instructions and spending a long time reading them. I had to crop some bits because I spend too long on reading. Also, please excuse, oh there's Susie. Please excuse the lighting. I didn't realize it was like this, and it was the first time I used time lapse. Obviously I need some Netflix while I do this. Had to get some help as well. My screwdriver broke. Susie!
I am done the table. My hair looks real yellow in this light. I've finally done the table. My hands are literally raw red and I have a wound. But it's huge. I didn't realize it was this big. This is why you probably should measure things. But that's it there. It's huge. Like, this is my hand. I don't know, that doesn't give much of a perspective. Hold on, let me turn on the nice lights. Susie's barking, don't mind her. But yeah, like, look at the tiny chair in the back, and then this table is huge. So that's built. Took me 3 hours or 2 hours, I don't even know. And then I still have the shelf to build. I think I'm gonna wait for Ross to come here so he can help me.
Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. Ross came over and yeah, we survived this one surprisingly. Yeah, so this is just us trying to find out all the screws. This one was awkward, thank God I got a hand with it. Here's us trying to convince that I'm right and he's wrong. Oh yeah, Ross is very creative with the angles. You can tell I didn't set up the camera. Oh yeah, this is where Ross takes like the wrong parts for the shelf and he had to remake it. You see it's look, he's taking it apart, he had to remake it. Haha, I'm always right. This was a long day. And voila, and our relationship is still intact.
Do you know what she was vlogging before?
Monika, we steal your camera again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello, welcome to my channel.
Oh.
And today we'll be talking about this wonderful makeup that I'm putting on, and I've done my eyebrows.
Show me what we're using
wonderful
today.
I'm using this.
Is that what you're using for your makeup? Bye guys, it was nice seeing you. Bye. Bye.
So don't mind me, I'm kind of improvising here. I'm just putting 3 colors together on a piece of canvas. Pink and teal. You'll see I'll talk about this later in the video, but I needed something teal, so I decided to paint it.
So guys, you probably haven't seen me in a few days, but not that you would know. So basically, it's been a few days since like all my furniture has been built. Not actually a few days, probably like 2 weeks. But I honestly, I want to finish this and like do like decor and everything, but I just haven't been able to find stuff I really like. So I couldn't really continue on the video, and I just want to wait and finish the video properly, then rush it. So I'm actually like back to college, so I'm actually using the space full on. But there's still, like, the room is a mess. Still, like, Stella's old bed is still there, which I don't know where I'm gonna put because we have to keep it just in case. Oh, this painting that you will see in the time lapse, I did that as well because I couldn't find any art or any decor items that were like a teal color, because look at this. Don't mind my lab coats in the back, but this is my little baby stool. I'm thinking of painting the legs black, but look at her, how cute is she? Oh my god, cuteness overload. And on other news, so Stella decided to let me keep the fish tank because I was like, look, I actually don't mind having it here because my mom works from home and her office thingy is downstairs, literally down below from me. She works with clients and she's always really loud. So for when I'm here, it has like water sound, and I feel like that actually helps me to focus and not focus on like their conversation. Oh my. I'll explain everything that's happening. So basically, one of the days I went to the pet shop. I was like, since she's letting me keep the fish tank, I was like, I'll get more new fish. So I went to the pet shop, picked out new fish, came home, started to climatize the fish, and guess what? I noticed, so I have 2 plecos, which I will show you what they are in a second, but I found eggs in their cage. So now they're having babies. Like, I don't know if I want the eggs, like I'm just letting a natural course go ahead. Like if they hatch, they hatch. But, oh, that's the doorbell. Do not bark. So as I was saying before Susie rudely interrupted me, they're having, so I noticed them on Saturday. It is now Wednesday, so I know for sure the eggs have been there for about 4 or 5 days at least. And on Google it said it takes 4 to 10 days to hatch. So I'm gonna try see if I can show you. He's in there and there's eggs in there. I want to show you the eggs, so I'm gonna try and see if I can scare him away. Now, you're probably not supposed to do this, but I've never have done this because he's been there for 3 days, not even leaving it. So I just want to show you. Okay, guys, can you see? Oh, that was literally for a split second. Okay, the eggs are still in there. Oh. Is he gonna let, oh, no, he's not gonna let us see in. Hopefully before I finish this vlog, I'll be able to tell you what happened in the end, but so far it's this. So I got this plant as well from IKEA and it's kind of dying. I have to cut it down and repot it. It just, the reason why I didn't repot it sooner was because I couldn't find a pot that I liked. Susie, did you plant the plant? Did you? Good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, guys, the plant is replanted. Got to move the bed, so I'll just show you what it looks like right now. Oh, my ring light, I'll find a space for that because I don't always need it. I don't know about this little shelf, because it's cute, but I can't really put anything. I don't know, I don't like displaying stuff. I hate the colour of that and I hate the colour of the legs. So I don't know, I might paint them black, I'm not sure yet. That's my desk, the little fluffy carpet, painting going with the blanket, and then I moved the aquarium there, which is so much room here now. Don't mind that, that's all the cleaning stuff. I can find a home for that. But yeah, overall I'm very happy with that. Guys, I wanted to inform you of what's happening because like this is so interesting to watch. And I've never seen a pleco give birth, so I don't know if you'll be able to see, but can you see all them little tails wiggling? You probably can't see, but I have better footage on my phone. Looks like right now the camera's picking up more the aquarium, the actual glass of the aquarium, but if I can I'll post in pictures. But can you see for a slight second there's little tails wiggling? There's about definitely more than 50 in there.
So guys, I actually ended up going to IKEA again and getting all of the kind of decor bits that I wanted, and I'm actually gonna end the video here and I'll have a full-on room tour coming soon.